Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM31 is making a horrible grinding noise, it's likely due to worn or damaged blades. This can happen over time as the blades endure regular use, and if left unchecked, it may lead to more severe damage to the motor or other components. Addressing this issue promptly will help ensure your device remains in top condition and continues to serve you well in the kitchen. For this repair, you will need a screwdriver, a replacement blade set, and a cloth to keep your workspace tidy. First, ensure the Thermomix is unplugged and cooled down. Begin by carefully removing the bowl from the base. Next, take the screwdriver and remove the screws securing the blade assembly to the base of the bowl. Remember to keep these screws safe as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently lift the blade assembly from the bowl. If you encounter resistance, check for any remaining screws or clips you may have missed. At this point, inspect the blades for any visible damage or wear. If they appear dull or chipped, it's time for replacement. To install the new blades, simply align them correctly in the assembly and press down firmly until they are seated properly. Make sure the sealing ring is also in place to prevent leaks. Now, it's time to reassemble the bowl. Carefully lower the blade assembly back into the bowl and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Be cautious not to over-tighten the screws, as this can strip the threads. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is back together, plug in your Thermomix and run a quick test to ensure everything is functioning smoothly. Listen for any unusual noises, and check that the blades are spinning freely. To prevent this issue from occurring in the future, make sure to clean your blades regularly and avoid overloading the device beyond its recommended capacity. This will help maintain the longevity of your Thermomix and ensure it operates quietly and efficiently. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.